Hello everyone. Welcome to Sohana Daily English.
Good morning, Fiona, my little baby. Goodbye, Fiona. Hello, sir. This is your breakfast. Enjoy. Hello, ma'am. What would you like to order? Hello, Sohana. Are you going to college today? This is today's last order. After I finish this, I will go.
Hey Sohana, did you hear the news? Which news? Today, billionaire Josh will come to our college. Who is this billionaire Josh? And how did he become a billionaire?
What? You don't know Josh? You have never heard his name?
Your dream is to become a billionaire, and you don't know the man who became a billionaire from zero. If you don't know Josh's struggle, then how will you become a billionaire?
Are you saying there is really someone in this world who became a billionaire from zero? I always thought I was the only one who believed in miracles.
Yes, there is someone just like you. Someone who did not only dream, but also made that dream real. And if you want, today at the seminar you can meet him.
Of course. I want to come. I want to know how he became a billionaire. His journey.
Hey cutie, where is your home?
Sohana, hurry up. I think the seminar already started. Hurry up then.
Take care of this cat until I finish the seminar. 80% of people think and say that they are successful, but I want to tell them that actually they are idiots.
He is so handsome. Shh. Let me listen.
They became successful because of their family support. Behind their success, there is only a very small story. There is no romance in their hard work. But the other 20%, yes, I will call them real successors, because first, they had a dream. They never thought about what they had or what they did not have. In their minds, there are only two things. First, I must do this at any cost, and second, how far can I go to achieve it? And I truly respect that madness. Because it is that fearless madness that gives people the power to make the impossible become possible.
Finally, today, I found my mentor. From now on, I will follow billionaire Josh.
If you really like billionaire Josh's thoughts, then you can join his company. Donal said that billionaire Josh's company is taking interns.
If I join his company as an intern, then how will I compete with him? Did you forget? My dream is also to become a billionaire. Just now, you said billionaire Josh is your idol, and now you are saying that he is your competitor. If I work in his company, then I will only remain an employee. But if I follow him and start my own company, then maybe I can truly move forward.
Miss Emma, go to the supermarket and buy some cat food.
Okay, sir.
Enjoy, cutie. Enjoy.
Fiona, Fiona, where is my baby? I'm home. Come to mama. Fiona? Fiona? What happened? I always keep this window closed. Then why is it open? Did Fiona go outside through here? Oh no.
Mom, look what I brought for you.
So beautiful, cat. Josh, where did you find such a beautiful cat?
She was running in the middle of the road and crying in fear. I looked everywhere to see if this cat had an owner, but I could not find anyone, so I brought her home.
Fiona? 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 Fiona?
Fiona. Fiona. Fiona.
Fiona? Fiona? Fiona?
Fiona? Fiona? It's been 3 days. Where is my baby? Don't worry, you'll see Fiona will come back. Maybe she went somewhere and now she cannot find the road to return. What if someone found Fiona and took her home and kept her there? Or what if Fiona had an accident? Don't cry and stop thinking about these bad things. You'll see Fiona will definitely return to you. I think you should find this cat's real owner. For 2 days, she has looked very sad, and she barely eats anything.
And you think she is sad and not eating only because she misses her real owner?
Yes.
Okay, then I will post this cat's picture on the company website so that her real owner can see it and come take her back.
Wow, what a beautiful cat.
What? Billionaire Josh found this cat. I want this cat.
Why are so many girls inside the company and why are they making so much noise?
They are all claiming that they are the owner of the cat.
How is that possible? How can one cat have so many owners?
2 reasons. First, the girls like the cat, or they came here for you.
Okay then, write on the company website that we already found the real owner of the cat and send everyone out.
Look, Sohana, billionaire Josh found Fiona. Take me to my Fiona, right now.
This is my cat Fiona. I came here to take my Fiona back. But ma'am, we already gave the cat to its real owner.
How is that possible? How can someone else be Fiona's owner?
Ma'am, this morning, more than 100 girls claimed the cat was theirs, and among them, the person who showed proof was given the cat. How is a real owner possible? Look, these are my pictures with Fiona. This is the main proof. Ma'am, they also had many proofs like this nowadays. Anything is possible with AI.
What? You mean AI? I don't understand any of this AI stuff. I just want my Fiona back.
Ma'am, the real owner already took the cat. Then please give me their address. Sorry, ma'am. The real owner's address is confidential. I cannot give it.
Please, give me the address. I'm telling the truth. This is my Fiona.
Sorry, ma'am. I can't help you. Don't worry. Somehow, we'll bring Fiona back.
Didn't you say that billionaire Josh's company is taking interns? I'll apply there.
So, you want to enter billionaire Josh's company and secretly spy to get Fiona's address. If I have to spy to get Fiona back, then I'll do it. Did you find this cat's real owner?
No. More than 100 girls came to take this cat, saying they're all the owner.
Then what will you do now?
I'll wait until we find this cat's real owner.
Are you sure you'll be able to find this cat's real owner?
I don't need to do anything. The cat's real owner will definitely do something if they truly love this cat.
I can do anything. For my Fiona.
If you want to know what I had to do to get Fiona back, then subscribe to this channel.
Episode 2, coming very soon.